today we're off to a camping New Forest site, aren't we? It's called Longbeech.
Longbeech. We've just gone past Ocknell.
It's an adults only site. Very much into nature, isn't it? There's no facilities. You've got a chemical disposal point, drinking water, and that's about it. They take tents, touring caravans, motorhomes, but you really are in the heart of the forest. So you really do need to be self-sufficient as well, don't you? Because there are no other facilities.
Plenty of ponies here.
You've got all the ponies, the deers, the donkeys, everything, haven't you? I mean, it's...
Stop for an ice cream.
Here we are. I think it's coming up on the right, isn't it? Yeah. Oh yeah, nice.
Is this it here?
Or is it the next one?
It
No, it's the
doesn't
next
say.
one. No, it won't be this one. No, that looks like a car park. Here we are. Oh, that's right. You need a... do you need a...
Here we go.
Do we need a code or...
Hopefully not.
I'll go and have a look.
I can have a look.
Hold on then. I don't mind getting a look. What does it say now?
There we go.
Wait. Let me get your lead. I'll come out because I need to shut it afterwards. Wait, we've only got 20 minutes, isn't it?
Then I shall wait.
Please wait to hear. Oh, until it just said please wait here until vehicles move, so you might as well just. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. So,
This is a nice spot.
do we go all the way to the end first? Oh, yeah, you've got the other one behind us. How did he get through so quickly? How did he get through so quickly? Unless he's been here before.
Yeah, probably been here before.
Well, it depends whether you want one like that, but it looks a bit uneven, doesn't it?
Yeah. That's quite nice there actually, isn't it? We'll go and have a look.
Yeah. Yeah, you see, those are quite nice. I know there's someone there, but
Oh, it's recording. A tour of Longbeech.
I don't know quite how far we're. I was just looking on the map to see how far
Stand up. No, he doesn't fine.
we were. See, there's one. Oh, there's one in there. I don't know. It's difficult when you don't know where you're going. You've got someone right on your backside.
Yeah.
I think that's coming up to the end of it.
Yeah, I'm going to turn around.
Oh, or is it? No, perhaps keep going. Keep going. I think it is further. The trouble is you don't really do. We don't really want. I'd rather have a bit of seclusion. But what about in there? Right. There's one coming down. I want to grab that in case I don't want to miss
I
it.
don't want to do it too quick. Thinking of here on the right or on the left?
I was thinking
Where's
on the. Well, let's have a look at both of them. Have a look at both of them. I mean, do you think, will it matter that you've got the bins there, or?
It depends how much of a slant we are. Normally, it's good to have the front up, isn't it?
What side is the awning? That side?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you'll be going that way. It's
Yeah.
up to you. Or is that one easier?
Probably the one on the right is probably better. Does it?
Wait a minute, wait.
So let me show you our spot. So we have bins, water and black waste down there. Loads and loads of spaces. I think they cater for 200 spaces here. Down through the woods we've seen ponies and riders going by, which is lovely. We have horses and cows around us a lot. So this is our spot. It's really nice. Nice and private. There's a pitch under repair. There's a semi-permanent one there. And they're here until September. Windbreak was easy to put up. A bit time consuming, but it's rock steady. And the old girl on the back of the hut. The bike rack's really easy to use, but I have to say, these old bikes, she's over 40 years old, it's so heavy. I could do with a nice lightweight aluminium, or a lightweight electric would be lovely. So this is the spot. We'll put the awning out, have a barbecue later. It's really nice. Hope you, if you come here to Longbeech, enjoy.
I hope we're going the right way. Because we're actually
I think we've taken the wrong turn actually.
I don't know whether this is going to take it all. Do you see what I mean? Can you see where the main bit is? You could put it up and have a look.
We'll have a look up here.
Come on, Willow. Leave that.
It's right in the middle. It's strange to see such an old dead tree.
Isn't that beautiful?
They say that they get together to look after a tree that's not well. Here we go. There's the new dog pusher all set up down the hill. See you in a mo. So looking it up, this is Longbeech. Longbeech is one of 12. Isn't it funny? Sort of get embarrassed talking whilst you're cycling because people think you're going mad. Maybe they know you're on the telephone. So this is one of 12 of the original RAF stations in the New Forest. It's one of the largest ones. I believe the largest one was Round Hill that we went to. This is all uphill. It's getting busier. Friday afternoon. So there's lots of open spaces. Or under the trees if you want the canopy, you want to be cooler. What friendly people these campers are. There's caravans, tents. This is a adult only site and no munchkins. So here we are, the normal workspace in a motorhome. So we have the sink and we have our 3-burner hob. and very little space to prepare anything. So if you own a motorhome, you'll know the struggle the worktops make cooking feel impossible. Look at that, barely enough room for a chopping board, let alone appliances. Today I'm showing you one simple hack that will change everything. I think you're going to like this. So here it is. So here is the solution. It fits snugly into here. The cutout is for the door. All you need is a sturdy flat piece of trestled wood cut to size. It sits perfectly, bridging the gap between your existing worktop and the back of the motorhome. It's secure, it's easy to fit, and it's easy to remove when you're traveling. What a great bit of space it makes. Let me show you. Adding chopping board, adding, we need more appliances. You need your Ninja Crispy, need somewhere to put our bits. Check this out, here we go. What about adding an air fryer? And of course the kettle, saucepans. How much room has that made? Isn't that just great? So simple to make and fills the gap. It's not going to fit everybody's different shape of motorhome, but if you've got the space like this available, very simple, very easy to make. Have to say, Longbeech was a big success, loved it. I cycled over a few times to Ocknall, which was just across the way. That was really nice. Wasn't far to go on a bike. Probably 2 minutes on the bike and probably 5 to 10 minutes walk, literally diagonally across. That's for families, but Longbeech was for adults only, which was nice and quiet. Great fun. We met Gid and Maggie. You were great, guys. Thank you so much for all your suggestions. We will be trying every single one of the sites you suggested. We've been looking them up. They look amazing. So that'll be on our agenda in time to come. We'll be venturing to another of the sites in the forest this weekend as well, and we'll share that one with you. We packed up, put the awning away, the windbreak away. Actually, I lost the cover, but fortunately Nikki, as we drove off, said there it is, and it had blown underneath the motorhome. So next time I shall be kneeling down on my little rubber pad and having a look underneath to make sure I haven't left anything behind. But no, lovely weekend, really nice. Back home now, God, the temperature is incredible. So this is my new office. This old girl's got air conditioning. I don't know if you can hear it running in the background. It's a tad noisy, but it's now only 19 degrees. So this is just so comfortable and is my temporary office. We're staying close to home for the time being with family things going on. We'll share with you at some point. But this has been an absolute joy. Love motorhoming, and we'll keep you posted. And please like, subscribe, and if you've got any comments, love to hear from you. And we'll see you soon. Cheers for now. Bye.